Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll hike through this unreal place we visited, the Monteverde Cloud Forest in Costa Rica. This is about 20 to 30 minutes drive from Monteverde town. On the way, we made a pit stop at historic Stella's Coffee House. It was supposed to be bird sanctuary, but at the time we were there, they had paused the feeding of birds due to monkey attacks recently. That's like a big disappointment for us. We were expecting a lot of birds and capture some good shots, but unfortunately, we didn't get any. No matter what, we just went off from there to the cloud forest. That's the scene I'm showing on the video right now. I mounted my action camera on the bonnet. Yeah, the Monteverde Cloud Forest Biological Reserve entry fee is about $26 for adults and 13 USD for children aged to 6 to 12. And parking is about $5, which you have to pay there itself. Since we booked our tickets online, we ended up paying parking there on the spot. And but anyway, you have to check the latest price when you visit or plan to visit. Good luck with that. And we started early morning hike like 8 a.m. into the cloud forest. It was beautiful and serene. As soon as you get into the trail, just imagine you're walking in a different world. It's a tropical heaven. Imagine where everything is green, misty, and kind of magical, like you literally inside a dream or something. It's high up in mountains, so the clouds actually roll through the trees while you're hiking. It's so unreal. It feels like it's awesome. Uh, Many species of fauna and flora exist. According to the scientists, there are like thousands of different species. But we were able to catch few of the wildlife, like within few hours of our hike. We spotted very first eyelash pit viper. At the time when I was shooting it, I didn't knew what it was. I researched online, look at the pictures and all. I realized it's eyelash pit viper. This is a bright green snake just chilling on a branch like it owned a place. It's venomous, yes, but honestly, it was super calm and we kept a safe distance. Still, seeing it in wild was wow. I put up some fun facts about the viper when we get to the scene, but and then we saw so random. We actually saw a opossum during the day. These are usually very shy to come out on the daytime. You see them nighttime. That's what I was told. So catching one just cruising through the pathway was like when still is out feels like it's total lucky break for us. And oh, and get this, we also heard like as we proceeded, we heard like a loud roar echoing through the forest. It's like a howling. Then we realized this is like a monkey howls. It's like a Jurassic Park stuff. It turned to be basically it turned out to be a Howler Monkeys. There's a big family up in the trees and canopies. Initially, we didn't find them, but like after a little bit of tracing the sound, tracking their sound, we were able to pinpoint, and we found, and I got like some good shots of those too. I post all these shots at the end of this video. They basically they are like their calls are crazy loud. I mean, we heard like a normal, I mean not normal, but it was obviously loud. But they're supposedly the one of the loudest animals you can hear. That's what we were told. And we also like heard like on the way there are a lot of birds singing, bird whistling. It was very serene and beautiful. Unfortunately, there was a lot of wind noise, so I had to mute and put up a background music for this video. And honestly, Monteverde is just not a simple hike. It's an experience. It's fresh air. It's wildlife. It's a it bridges way up in the trees. It's just pure magic. If you ever in Costa Rica, make sure you put this place in your list. It's 100% worth it. Yeah, all right. That's it for my commentary. Please continue to watch and enjoy the nature. Oh, one last thing. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what you think in the comments. More of Costa Rica magic coming soon. Thank you and adios.
Da